2007 Ford F-150. We have one existing key and one separate remote control. We're going to program in a IKT key. You'll program in the buttons separate with onboard, just like this. It's an original key, and then also be adding a non-remote key. So we're going to go ahead and stick this non-remote one in first. Our security light's right there. You can see it flashing. Go to F-150, key coding. 07. Check our key count. Okay, plenty of room. Program key.
Jeez. Let me air up this tank and I'll get it for you.
Get turned on. We're going to do one, and then we're going to onboard the remote key. Ignition's off. Ignition back on. Okay. Key count should be up one. There it is. Now at this point, we could have done the extra key with the programmer, but we're not going to do that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take our now two working keys, this key and this key, cycle them, and then we're going to add that key. Here we go. Security lights up here. Okay, now here's my key. I'm going to turn it on. That now starts. It is onboard programmed. You can see that the remote doesn't work. We have to do that manually. Stick the key in, off to on 8 times. Door lock's just cycled. Press the button. Then press the button here. And that's it. Take the key out. Now we can check our remote functionality. There it is, lock and unlock. Separate remote, lock and unlock. We're finished.